Okay, there you go. Now I'll turn the air off. You can see where the blood red is here. That's where you want to heat your metal up, right there in the centre. And reading up on it, the cork itself is that, not the surrounding bit. So it's that what you want. So basically what you do is separate the coal, which is around the edge, from the cork, which is in the centre. And what I did with the videos I've seen on YouTube, I dampened around the area with water, leaving the cork, and then obviously inserted the rod. It heated up within 10 minutes from cold, basically. I mean, these, I put air roll plates in there, but you don't really need them. No, not for the full length. It's sectioned off here and sectioned off there, leaving you that area to work with. But having said that, it will come in handy for other things, you know. I'm hoping to do rivets on it and all sorts of this, so I can rivet stuff as well, heat them up, rivet them like in the old days. Can even make a bloody sword on this now if I wanted to. Excellent, yeah, I'm really pleased with that. And I've got a lid as well, there, like that. It's just to keep rain water off when I've done with it, nothing else. As I say, it's got cross members on it, it's solid, and it's mobile. Great for, say, you know, a blacksmith who wants to, or what goes around transporting, doing his work on site. This would be perfect, ideal for him. It is a 240 volt fan, or two inside there in here. But obviously I'm going to get a switch for that. It's got a plug in it at the moment. I'm going to get the switch instead. You know, so yeah, obviously if you're using it outside, you've got to be cautious if it's raining with 240 volts going through it. But you know, I'm sure you can reduce that down to 110 using a transformer. I don't see it making or altering that much of a difference with the air coming through, you know, to make it, well, it's safe now. Just watch what you know, just be careful when you're using it. If it's pissing it down, then obviously, you know, unplug it or switch it off. Well, unplug it, protect the plug. But apart from that, that is fantastic. Yeah, I am really pleased with that.